Welcome to DJM TV News, where you get the latest information as the trend. Please, if you're new to this channel, subscribe to our YouTube channel at DJM TV. Click on the notification bell so you keep receiving videos from us as they drop. And if you're on Facebook, like our Facebook page at DJM TV. On Twitter, follow us at DJM TV. Also on our website at www.djmtv.news, where we drop videos 247. I am Lawuru Favor for DJM TV News.
DJM TV.
When they see me, we need candle for Lekki protest. The kind candle where I go by, you know those big celestial candle. Where we say if celestial won't finish your matter, if they on that candle 1 year, if you no born finish. Person they ask me say why another candle I buy. I say now so Nigeria problem big. The problem we would they face with our leaders. Now so it big. And as they don't light that candle because I don't come up for their confidence shall be. As they don't light that candle, all the people wait there for our matter for this country. All the people wait join and spawn this country. All the money we na embezzle. Now so sickness go they burn the money for an account we na put her. Sọ̀rọ̀ sókè Keshami. What in the car sọ̀rọ̀ sókè? Governor Makinde. I hear say you won't give the person where in palace born 100 million. Hey, you won't come give the person where losing your pikin 1 million. 1 million na for waiting. Now to buy the pikin live or bonus okay or that 1 million. Now be the money where the boy for graduates become successful. Can't give him papa. Make you no try mo. If not that one, this protest goes still long. You be the people where they pause part of this problem now. Because of that thing where you just talk. With a vex. Antinika Soros, okay. They say they won't bring military out. How many of us now want key? How many of us now want key? Well, a lot of us, they don't ginger our swagger. People where they fear, where they sit down for us. You see the crowd. Yankee no get that kind of crowd. I tell people today, I say, look your back. See crowd where they outside. And tomorrow go mad. It go bad. Go. Shebi, they detain us for 6 months. Almost 6 months for COVID. Then take us, they make money. No wala. We say if we day here. If you not think, say when schools resume, NYC camp resume, the crowd go resume. Sọ̀rọ̀ sókè èèyàn. Láéláyé. Come. Una they take us play. Una they take we matter play. And they pay me. Antinika sọ̀rọ̀ sókè. So I think sọ̀rọ̀ sókè nsin kele ma gbọ́. O dan pe e gbọ́ wa tẹ́lẹ̀. Una know they hear us before. Antinika sọ̀rọ̀ sókè. We want accountability. We want total eradication of bad governance. We want good health system. We want good education system. I think sọ̀rọ̀ okay. If I say we know they talk before, now you know they make una they hear us. Our leaders. They gonna not take us play. Oh. We dey serious for this matter. Oh. Make una gather on yourself, check una temperature. Oh. The matter no easy, no go dey easy until una answer us. Oh. Make una know they believe say we go tire. We no tire. Oh. Come. All those of una where we say doesn't COVID, we dey hear say una give government 100 million, 200 million, 1 billion, 500 million. Una see una youth now. Una no donate anything. Now only GTB back. We see bring water, Chicken Republic. If them born una mama well, make una come advertise one product. Una no fit give them youth now. See say to become somebody for this country. You no need Godfather. Godfatherism. See as we gather. We no get Baba Isaleo. So those of una where be youth, where they plan to go political office, You can do it without God for that reason. We don't need any papa for underground. Ati Soros, okay. 2023, my mad gone. If you know, say you get bad agenda. If them born the mama will carry your belly way, come out. If them born the mama will carry your belly way, where you say you be politician, whether na PDP, I be na APC, I be which party, come out. The only party where we sabi now, na youth party. We no want SARS. The only SARS where we sabi na SARS on the beat. So make everybody borrow themselves brain. We are not joking. We are freaking serious. We mean it. We want a good Nigeria. Since we are this small, Nigeria, my beloved country, now they call us. Una no fi make me hate my country. Una no fi make me hate Nigeria. And the thing when go make me hate my country, now they do so. Now, to all the people who don't die, RIP, my candle for now. To all the people where they say make una no protest, where they boy for una mind, make una voice out, post anything for social media, then they see us, they pepper them. To all the stations where they help us, they repost, where they share everything. To all left for una too much. Una no ask us for shingban. For those of una when no say una they donate, una won't donate. Thank you. Make una just carry and come there. Dump am, people will go chop day. People will go drink and day. We are not going back until we get what we want. 6 months, now we take the house. This year, me okuku no say we rough things. Now next year we won't celebrate Nigeria's 60th birthday. And we know say to celebrate we go achieve something. Now don't waste our time before. So this time where we say we won't waste, it don't mean anything. Unless we are ready, Governor Sanwo-Olu take God beg you. I know say you they try, but you never try, Rich. Go sit down for Baba neck. Tell Baba say, you know if you go house, make you answer your people. Now what why? Ara oni rokun, ara oni ro adie ni. Government will say we will not go enjoy our motherland. Una self no go sleep. Una go they gather overnight meeting like witchcrafts. Or Olorun fun ise, una no go see the matter settle unless una settle us. No matter what una they plan, Holy Ghost fire una. As long as una they plan good for us, una go see and do. If una they plan to wicked us, Holy Ghost fire una destiny. And we lady boo. They spoil this country. Shame the cash us say we be Nigerians. We no get mouths to the boss say we be Nigerians. We get leaders where we say, it be like say host they una throat. To just they take straw, they suck money. Una no fit put them for education, una no fit put them for health. Una no fit put them for even to build correct police station. Una they build National Assembly, they renovate, they build website, turn that wall of you. Make una not fix this country. Una go no say tiger bomb with a tiger. Una go no say the children will not cough down. Then they know they okay. And we don't even get psychia where we won't go. We go show una pepe li to bangbo tatache. The thing we go take una eye see. Except say una ready to do normal. Make una say you won't give anybody 1 million. Borrow yourself, brain no. Governor Makinde, do normal. May we hear you. Now your mouth to take louder. Now mouth may we take do normal. Now so the matter go be oh. Make we sleep small. Tomorrow, Aluta continua. Victoria Asata. We no succeed. We know they go anywhere. Anything una want do, make una do. If una want kill us, make una kill us. No be today. Every die na die. All of us, if we don't die for this country, never be they kill us. Where's you know they kill us? Fuel, everything don't kukuma kill us. So waiting remain. This one na they gunshot, they put tear gas. All that one are just second version of killing. The original killing, una system don't kill.
DJM TV. DJM TV.